You pay strangers for things your friends can do, but when you need free service, you can run to your friends. We have to support each other as people. You know that your neighbor is selling tomatoes, but you can run to big shops to buy tomatoes there. When you need on credit or you need your neighbor to owe you because you don't have cash, you don't have money, your neighbor can give you and you don't pay back. That person is going to be broke, and we have got cash, you run to big shops. So we have to support each other. As black people, we are supporting Ethiopians, Somalians. We are buying on their shops in cash, but at black people's shops, you are taking credit and say, I will pay back. Guys, groceries doesn't have more profit. You take maybe milli meal. That profit maybe is for 5 rand or 10 rand, and you take that milli meal. You don't pay back for 2 months or 3 months. How that person is going to have a new stock, you don't pay back. But on the big shops like Spar or K or Ethiopians, you don't take on credit. So we have to learn to support each other. Not maybe you can think that person, when you support that person, is going to be rich. There is no need that person to be going to rich. Other people are doing business to feed their kids only. Guys, there is no need a person to be rich because of spaza or because of the market. They need to have a life to feed, to buy food only. So you have to support your neighbor, because people, guys, I don't understand our minds. Maybe you can think that small money you can support to buy tomatoes to your neighbor, your neighbor is going to be rich more than you. That's our mentality, people. Because you don't want to support, if that person is going to have more money. There is no need of more money, guys. People who have got markets are hand to mouth. After supporting them, at end of the day, they are buying bread for their family. If you know that your relative knows how to fix the door, knows how to plaster the house, how you don't call them to do that job, and you can pay them the same money you can pay those people. I don't understand sometimes. You have to, when you need free service, you don't have money, you can call your relative, come and fix a door because you don't have money. But if you have got cash, you can call someone who can fix for you. So sometimes we have to learn to support each other as people. We don't want to support each other. I don't understand why we are doing all those things. So people, we have a mentality of thinking that person is going to be rich. There is no need of rich, guys, but we need to support as black people, because you can see a person can go to Indians and Somalians. They buy it in cash, but they don't buy to their relatives. Their relatives are selling the same thing.